Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 23 and 24 of class 6 subject GK. Aeroplanes. Orville and Wilbur Wright, the two brothers, made the first successful flight near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina on 17 December 1903. Modern aeroplanes are divided into 5 main types. Okay, now first one we will start, that is commercial aviation planes. Commercial aviation planes are large planes for carrying passengers and sometimes cargo. It is also known as airliners. Now, what is the use of commercial aviation planes? They carry the passengers and sometimes the cargo, and they are also known as the airliners. Next is general aviation planes. Now, general aviation planes have 2 to 6 seats and 1 engine. They have 2 seats or the 6 seats and they have 1 engine. General aviation covers a large range of activities. Both commercial and non-commercial, including flying clubs, agriculture, aviation, light aircraft, manufacturing and maintenance. Did you know every single day more than 1 crore flights carry 10 million passengers take off from airports around the world. Now this is the picture of an aeroplane. Here you can see the parts of the aeroplane: windscreen or windshield. Next we have the door. After that here you can see the engine. These are the windows, that is fuselage and main body. This is the wing or main plan. Next, stabilizer or horizontal, stabilizer vertical or fin. Okay, next, military planes. Military planes are used by the military to attack enemies on the ground or in the air. Why the military planes are used? To attack the enemies on the ground or in the air. It is also used to carry equipments and soldiers to battlefield, and they are also used for carrying the equipments and the soldiers also to the battlefield. Next we have seaplanes. A seaplane is a powered fixed wing aircraft capable of taking off and landing on water. Now this is a plane which is fixed with a wing aircraft which is capable of taking off and on the water. Seaplanes are of 3 types. There are of 3 types seaplanes, that is float plane, flying boats and amphibians. Next, did you know the world's oldest airline is the Dutch carrier KLM? This one, it was established in 1919. Qantas was founded in 1920. And when was Qantas founded? In 1920. Coming to the chapter number 24, we have the universe. A huge and a wide space that holds everything from the smallest particle to the biggest of galaxies is known as the universe. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Use the hint box. Did you know natural satellite of any planet is called the moon? Saturn is known for its bright shiny ring. It is the second biggest planet in the solar system. Now, first fill in the blank. The only planet in solar system which supports life. Orbital period is 365.25 days and rotation period is 23.93 hours. So it is Earth. So write EARTH, Earth. Next one we have, this planet is also called the Earth's sister planet. dash due to the similar size and mass it has no moon. It is Venus. 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 The Earth's moon is called the Luna. 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 Stars do not last forever. When they die, they blow up in huge explosion. This explosion is known as supernova. 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 The extremely distant objects in the universe are extremely bright masses of light and energy. They appear to be as the faint red star on the earth. They are known as comets. 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 The minor planet in the solar system that travels around the sun. It is an asteroid. 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 Mars has dash moons. 2. Short period comet which is visible from the earth every 75 to 76 years. It is Halley's comet. So write Halley's Halley's Comet comet. 9th one, a cold gas giant, the 7th planet from the sun. It rolls along like a ball. It has the longest summers and winters, each lasting 42 years. It is the Uranus. Uranus. 10th one. It is also known as the red planet. It is the 4th planet from the sun. It has 2 moons. It is Mars. 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 So children, you have to read chapter number 23 on page number 30 and 31, and you have to complete your work on page 32, chapter number 24 in your textbook with a very beautiful handwriting, and you also have to learn the names. Okay, thank you.